It was a mixed day in the livestock markets at the close. October live cattle futures 57 cents lower to settle at 226.32. Further down the line out to April, saw modest gains of about 10 cents. Front month August feeder cattle futures, they were lower while the next 3 months posted gains, with most actively traded September contract settling at 345.25, and for the session that was 67 cents higher. Over on the snout side of things, October futures for lean hogs 35 cents lower to 83.32. The deferred contract saw additional weakness. Now, this morning's wholesale box beef report, that was softer. Choice cuts $1.04 lower to 370.38, while select cuts down 65 cents to 350.19. Yesterday's daily livestock summary from the USDA showed the 5-area average price for live steers at $235.31. That's fairly steady with what we've seen in recent reports. Daily slaughter to start the week, that was reported at 96,000 head. That is 6,000 more than last week, but 6,000 fewer than the same day last year. Declining open interest in long liquidation in cattle futures have been noted over the last several weeks, and that most recent commitment of traders report showed that managed money net long position in live cattle was near 65,000 contracts. That's 2,000 fewer than the prior report. Now, of that liquidation, that was 1,700 of long liquidation and about 300 new short positions. That net long position, the smallest in about 2 years.